So today we're going to be talking about finding the range. And there's a couple steps to find the range. And if you look at the graphic above, it kind of goes through the steps to finding the range. I'm just going to walk through that example above, and we'll find the range for that data set. So we have our data set 3, 5, 10, 4, 5, 2, and 15. So step 1 to find the range is going to be list the numbers in order from least to greatest. So we're going to list our numbers in order from least to greatest. So when we list our numbers in order from least to greatest, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, and 15. And make sure that 5 is listed twice, that we're listing that 5 twice. We do have to include it twice. So our next step now is going to be subtract the least from the greatest. So in other words, we're doing the greatest number minus the least. When we do that, our greatest number is 15, and our smallest number, the least, is 2. So to find the range, we're doing 15 minus 2. 15 minus 2 would end up giving us 13. So our range would be 13. Now you can kind of think of the range as, well, it's really just saying how far apart are the smallest and the largest number. And in this case, 15 is 13 more than 2, so they're kind of 13 apart.